if you have a solution which is different than the one shared in this video and you would like to share with others, please share them in the comments box so they can also learn. That's it for this video. Keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Essential SQL Practice series. Let's take a look at this problem. Find the customers who have purchased in at least 10 owners in a calendar year and output all the owners. So we need customers, all the owners, and the owners have to be at least 10. So first let's look at the tables that we need. We need customers, we need their invoice dates, then we need owners, and then let's look at what is the common field. Customer ID can be used with invoices, invoice ID with invoice items, and that can be used with tracks, and the tracks can be used with the owners. So first let's call all the tables. I'll start with customers, then I'll go to invoices, customer ID, then I'll use invoice items on invoice ID, then I'll use tracks, then we will use owners, owner ID. Okay, so what all we need the customer name. So first let's do this concatenation. Then we need calendar year, so we'll use invoice date. And then let's say I want to know how many owners they have purchased in, so I will use count distinct owner ID. And then finally I want to output all the owners, so I will use group concat here so that everything appears in one single cell, and here I will also use distinct to avoid repetition of any owner. Now we'll use a group by. These two don't need a group by. Then we will use having clause, and I will use count distinct here. And when we say at least 10, so I'll use greater than or equal to 10. So as we can see, we have only two artists who have sold more than 10 owners in a calendar year.